that shift, we did some research studies just last month, and what we asked people were how distressing is your food addiction to you, 0 through 10, and we also asked people about what they did in order to treat their food addiction. We came up with some very interesting results. I asked two main communities. One was from a Facebook group that had people that knew about sugar addiction but didn't have a lot of structure, and the other was from a 12-step program with people who actually struggle with this 12-step program, so it's kind of a little biased. What we found overall is that people who follow some basic structure, no flour of any type, no sugar of any type, and many of them no sweeteners of any type, had average scores of not being very distressed by their food addiction. People, on the other hand, that made exceptions to their food plan, mostly didn't eat sugar, but sometimes did, ate some flour, didn't weigh and measure their food, they scored much higher on the distress level of what their food addiction distresses their lives. So that's just a tiny snippet of the survey results that we got, and I found it very, very interesting. It really seems to say structure around our food, weighing and measuring, abstaining completely from our addictive substances, and just making no exceptions for that really does bring a lot of relief to food addicts.